Hello everyone, I am D.D. Zadav, Assistant Professor in Chemistry at KTHM College, Nashik. Friends, previous session we solved the numericals on first order and second order kinetics. Students, today we are going to study to solve some examples on rate of reaction, order of reaction and energy of activation. Now let us go to this. Problem number 1. The reaction twice NO plus O2 it gives twice NO2 follows the rate law R is equal to K into concentration of NO to the power second into concentration of O2. If K is equal to 2.0 into 10 raised to minus 6 per second per mole square liter square, what is the rate of the reaction when concentration of NO is 0.04 mole per liter and concentration of O2 is equal to 0.2 mole per liter. Now in this case, here the rate laws are given, the value of K is given, concentration of NO and O2 are given. Now solve this problem. Students, first of all write this rate equation. R is equal to K into concentration of NO to the power second into concentration of O2. Now here the given values, K is equal to 2.0 into 10 raised to minus 6, concentration of NO is equal to 0.04 mole per liter, concentration of O2 is equal to 0.2 mole per liter. Now substituting this value in this rate equation, the value of K and concentration of NO and O2, then R is equal to 2.0 into 10 raised to 6 into concentration of NO is 0.04 this mole per liter bracket square, then concentration of O2 into 0.2 mole per liter. Solve this term, then answer becomes 6.4 into 10 raised to minus 10 mole per liter per second, and therefore the rate of the above reaction is 6.4 into 10 raised to minus 10 mole per liter per second. Now let us go to the second example. Now the time for the half decomposition of N2O was 300 seconds when the initial pressure was 290 and 250 seconds when the initial pressure was 390 mm. Find out the order of this reaction. Now solution, the decomposition is the gaseous reaction, so pressure is used instead of concentrations. So T1 and T2 as the half-life times at the pressure P1 and P2. T1 is equal to 300 seconds, T2 is equal to 250 seconds, P1 is equal to 290 mm and P2 is equal to 390 mm. Now here this instead of concentrations, I take this pressure P1 and P2. Formula used, order of reaction, that is N means order of reaction, N is equal to 1 plus log T2 by T1 divided by log P1 by P2 is equal to, substituting the values of T1, T2 and P1, P2 in this equation, then equation becomes 1 plus log 250 divided by 300 divided by log 290 divided by 390. Solve these whole terms. Then n is equal to, now this 1 as it is 1 plus, solve this term, 1 plus minus 0.07918 divided by minus 0.12866. So the n is equal to 1 plus 0.617. Take the addition of this term, then is equal to 1.61 and here is equal to 2. Now means the order of reaction is 2, that means second order reaction. Then example number 3, the rate constant of a certain reaction are 3.3 into 10 raised to minus 5 per second and 7.0 into 10 raised to minus 2 per second at 299 Kelvin and 499 Kelvin respectively. Calculate the energy of activation of the reaction. Given value of R is equal to 8.314 joule per Kelvin per mole. Now solve this problem. The solution, the given things, the value of R is given, that is 8.314 joule per Kelvin per mole. Now this rate constant, that is velocity constant, K1 is equal to 3.3 into 10 raised to minus 5 per second at temperature T1, that is 299 Kelvin. Then K2 means rate constant is equal to 7.0 into 10 raised to minus 2 per second at temperature T2, that is 499 Kelvin. Now the formula use, the energy of activations, EA is equal to 2.303 into R into T1 into T2 divided by T2 minus T1 into log K2 divided by K1. Now substituting the values in this equation or in this formula, then EA is equal to 2.303 into 8.314 into temperature T1 299 into temperature T2 499 divided by, means 499 minus 299 into log, the value of K2 is 7.2 into 10 raised to minus 2 divided by value of K1 is 3.3 into 10 raised to minus 5. Then solve these terms. Now here EA is equal to this 2.303 into 8.314 into the whole terms. Now solve this term into 746 into this term into 3.326. Then EA is equal to energy of activation 47516.15 joule per mole. If you convert kilojoule, then divided by 1000, then EA is equal to 47.51 kilojoule per mole. And therefore, the energy of activation, that is EA, is equal to 47.51 kilojoule per mole. Then example number 4, the rate constant for the reaction. Now this reaction is given, that is H2 plus I2, it gives twice HI, is 3.70 at 781 degree Kelvin and 0.185 at 700 Kelvin. Calculate the energy of activation of this reaction. The given value of R is 1.987 calories. Now here solution, the given values, the K2 3.70, now this is the rate constant, 3.70 at a temperature T2 781 Kelvin. Then K1 means rate constant is equal to 0.185 at a temperature T1 700 Kelvin. Formula use, the energy of activation is equal to 2.303 into R into T1 into T2 divided by T2 minus T1 into log K2 divided by K1. Now substituting the values in this equation, then is equal to 2.303 into value of R is 1.987 into temperature T1 is 700 into temperature T2 781 divided by 781 minus 700 into log of value of K2 is 3.70 divided by value of K1 is 0.185. Then solve this, then the value becomes 1.59 calorie, converts calorie to kilocalorie. Therefore this EA is equal to 40.40, that is 40.40 kilocalorie, and therefore the energy of activation EA is equal to 40.40 kilocalories. Then the example number 5. Now here the energy of activation of a certain reaction is 12 kilocalorie per mole at 27 degrees Celsius. If the rate constant of this temperature is K, at what temperature the rate constant will be tripled? Now here energy of activation is given. In previous example calculate the energy of activation, but here find out this energy of activation. Sorry, in this example find out this temperature, the rate constant will be triple. Now here the solution, the given things, K1 is equal to K at temperature T1 is 300 Kelvin, R is equal to 2 calories. Now this K2 is equal to 3K, means at what temperature the rate constant will be tripled. Now this K2 is equal to 3K at temperature T2, means find out this value, that is temperature T2. Energy of activation is given 12 kilocalories per mole. Now here this value of R is calories, then converts the kilocalorie into calorie, means 12 into 1000 divided by 12 into 1000 is equal to 12,000 calories. Formula use log K2 divided by K1 is equal to EA divided by 2.303 into R into T2 minus T1 divided by T1 into T2. Hence log, now here this K2 means this 3K divided by value of K1 means K is equal to energy of activation is given 12,000 divided by 2.303 into value of R is given, that is 2 into, find out this value of T2, T2 minus T1 is given 300 divided by 300 into T2. Then this, therefore log 3 is equal to this 12,000 divided by, take this multiplication of this term, means 4.606 into this T2 minus 300 divided by 300 into T2. Then therefore 0.4771 into 4.606 into this 300 into T2 divided by 12,000 is equal to T2 minus 300. Then solve this term whole, then value becomes 0.0549 into T2 is equal to, now this term as it is, that is T2 minus 300. Now this 300 is equal to this T2 means into 1 minus 0.0549, then the value becomes 0.9451 into T2, and therefore T2 is equal to this 300 divided by 0.945, then the final answer becomes 317.4 Kelvin. Thus at 317.4 Kelvin, that is at 44.4 degrees Celsius, means minus 273, then this 44.4 degrees Celsius, the rate constant of the reaction is triple. Now this temperature is required, the rate to make this rate constant is triple, that is K2 3K. This temperature is required. At this temperature the rate constant is triple, that is 317.4 Kelvin. Then problem number 6. The second order reaction has an energy of activation of 12.75 kilocalorie. The velocity constant of this reaction is 4.9 into 10 raised to minus 3 liter per mole per second at 800 degrees Celsius. Find the rate constant of the reaction at 875 degrees Celsius. Given R is equal to 2 calories. Now here find the rate constant of the reaction at this temperature. Solution, the given things, energy of activation EA is equal to 12.75 kilocalorie. Now the convert the kilocalorie to calories means 12.75 into 1000 is equal to 12,750 calories. Then temperature T1 is equal to 800 plus 273 is equal to 1073 Kelvin. T2, temperature T2 875, then convert degree Kelvin plus 273 is equal to 1148 Kelvin, and R is equal to 2 calorie, and K1 is equal to 4.9 into 10 raised to minus 3, and find out this K2. Formula use log K2 divided by K1 is equal to EA divided by 2.303 into R into T2 minus T1 divided by T1 into T2. Now put this value in this equation, in this formula, then EA log K2 upon K1 is equal to, now this value of EA is 12,750 divided by 2.303 into 2 into value of T2 is 1148 minus T1 1073 divided by 1073 into 1148 means that T1 into T2. Then solve this term, whole term, then equation, the answer is 0.1685 log K2 divided by K1 is equal to 0.1685. Then take the antilog 0.1685. Therefore K2 upon K1 is equal to 1.47. Now the value of K1 is equal to 4.9 into 10 raised to minus 3 liter per mole per second. Hence K2 is equal to 4.9 into 10 raised to minus 3 into 1.47, this value, take the multiples. Then value becomes 7.20 into 10 raised to minus 3 liter per mole per second. At 875 degrees Celsius, that means the 1148 Kelvin, the rate constant of the reaction is 7.20 into 10 raised to minus 3 liter per mole per second. Then example number 7, they calculate the velocity constant of a unimolecular reaction at 700 Kelvin. If the energy of activation for the reaction is 24,740 calories, given A is equal to 1.4 into 10 raised to 13. Now here they calculate the velocity constant, means rate constant of a unimolecular reaction at this temperature in 700 Kelvin. If the energy of activation is given and A means frequency factor is given 1.4 into 10 raised to 13. Solution, the given things R is equal to 1.987 calories, temperature 700 Kelvin, energy of activation, that means EA is equal to 24,740 calories, and A means frequency factor. A is equal to 1.4 into 10 raised to 13. Then K, what is velocity constant? Calculate the velocity constant of a unimolecular reactions. Now here the formula use, the K is equal to A into e raised to minus EA divided by RT. Now this is the exponential form of Arrhenius equation. Exponential form of Arrhenius equation. Then take the log on both sides. That means E is converted to the log to the base 10. Then log K is equal to log A minus EA divided by 2.303 into RT. Now the value of A is given, is equal to log 1.4 into 10 raised to 13 minus the energy of activation is given, that is 24,740 divided by 2.303 into value of R is 1.987 into temperature 700. Then solve this. The value is equal to 13.14612 minus 24740 divided by 3203.24. Then solve this. Then 5.42262, take this antilog. Then K is equal to 2.6 into 10 raised to 5. The value of K is 2.6 into 10 raised to 5. The velocity constant of a unimolecular reaction is 2.6 into 10 raised to 5. Okay, stop here. Thank you.